My name is B. I came from Thailand 8 months ago, and right now I'm studying MBA. So I chose to come to Adelphi because I like the location. The Garden City campus is not too far from the city, and it's not too close, so I don't get a lot of distractions. But if I want to have fun, I still able to go. We have a lot of opportunity after graduation. So I always wanted to come, and when I realized if I want to study abroad, New York is a good option for me. Last semester we have a professional development sequence, and it taught us about how to do an interview, how to prepare a resume, how to be professional. I performed this in art presenting, and because I really like Kimberly, she's my professor, and I can see that she's really put her efforts into her teaching. So far, I think I performed best because I wanted to learn more from her. So my advice for coming to Adelphi would be you have to be open-minded because you will find a lot of new things here. You'll find a lot of new friends, and you should do a lot of activities because that's how you get to know a lot of people.